Go, Griffin.
You got the silence in a minute because these two here don't need to hear exactly what's coming off that red thing right there. Well, you know what? In a moment you're going to have no songs. If your mouth just keeps going like it is.
Need a breath.
Yeah, gonna take a break?
Who's winning?
See?
Then punch him, Emily. Punch real quick, real fast.
It's alright, it's alright.
You go like this. Huh?
Uh-oh.
Now this is the left side.
Yeah, switch sides. There you go.
Hey, work like
Knock him out. Knock him out. You got to punch him.
Come out, okay.
Dog.
He said you want to come out. I know how to get my hair out of my face. Go.
Let's do art, man. I'm tired of
Punch, Griffin. Deep breath. You can let go.
There you go. Oh, she's gonna have to eat. No, it's looking quiet.
No, it's not for the last time.
3 times. And 38. That was bullshit. I thought you were married. I'm going down there, though. I'm confused. Why are we losing?
Getting beat up by a girl.
Throw them punches, sister. There you go.
Beat by a girl.
I hate him with all the moves.
You gotta drill him. Hang on, Ellen.
It's my neck.
He got itches, man.
I hate him. Everybody shot him, he did. I hate him, he didn't die. That's some old shit on coming.
Punch, Griffin. Did it work out?
Oh, here she comes.
Here she comes.
Get him, Emily. Keep landing them. Keep punching. Keep punching, sister. You got him. Keep going.
Keep throwing punches, Griffin.
Get him, Emily. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Get him, punch. You gotta punch. You gotta punch. You had him.
It's alright.
You got you.
Watch out,
Barely.
That makes me mad.
You had him.
Alice, this is me.
Griffin, turn around.